Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 language arts. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter abbreviations and the lessons are abbreviate days of the week, abbreviate months of the year. Then we're going to start the chapter letters and the lessons are greetings and closings of letters. So let's start with the chapter abbreviations. Okay, here I'm on grade 2 language arts. The chapter is abbreviation. So let's just start with the lesson. Abbreviate days of the week. Okay, an abbreviation is a short version of a word. So that is the definition of the abbreviation. What is abbreviation? An abbreviation is a short version of a word. Got it? That would be the short form of a word. Got it? Days of the week are often abbreviated. The abbreviation usually consists of first three or four letters of the word. So what are the abbreviation? They consist of first three or four letters of the word followed by a period. Abbreviations of days of the week are always capitalized. Got it? That means the first letter must be capital. Like for Monday, it is the first three letters MON. It's Tuesday, it would be the first four letters TUES. For Tuesday, it would be TUES. For Wednesday, it would be WED. For Thursday, it would be THURS. For Friday, it would be FRI. For Saturday, it would be SAT. And for Sunday, it would be SUN. Got it? Just you have to keep this very important thing in your mind. For the rest of the all the days have the first three letters. Other than Tuesday and Thursday, they have the S also included. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing days abbreviation. Thursday, blank, Saturday. So which is the day between Thursday and Saturday? Which is the day after Thursday? Yes, right after Thursday and before Saturday, it would be Friday. The correct option is FRI. That would be the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. Tuesday, blank, and Thursday. Which is the day that is between Tuesday and Thursday? After Tuesday, it would be, yes, it would be Wednesday. WED is the correct option. Fill in the missing days abbreviation. Blank, Monday, Tuesday. Which is the day before Monday? Before Monday, it would be Sunday, SUN. The second option is the correct one. Okay, the next one is fill in the missing days abbreviation, which is the day before Tuesday. Which is the day before Tuesday? Yes, before Tuesday it would be Monday. MON is the correct option. Fill in the missing days abbreviation Thursday, Friday. Which is the day after Friday? Yes, after the Friday it would be Saturday. SAT is the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. Wednesday, Thursday, and the next one is yes, after the Thursday it would be yes, that would be Friday. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. Blank Tuesday and Wednesday, which is the day before Tuesday? Before Tuesday it would be Monday. The correct option is option number one, MON. You didn't have to write day after these abbreviation. Fill in the missing days abbreviation Wednesday, dash, and Friday, which is the day between Wednesday and Friday. Yes, between Wednesday and Thursday it would be between Wednesday and Friday it would be Thursday. Got it? Option number one is the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. Sunday, Monday, and which is the next day after Monday? Yes, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. The correct one is Tuesday. Fill in the missing days abbreviation. Dash, Friday, Saturday. So which is the correct option? Yes, before Friday it would be Thursday. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. So which is the correct option? Which is the day between Sunday and Tuesday? Yes, that would be Monday between Sunday and Tuesday. It would be Monday. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation. Monday, blank, Wednesday. So which is the day after Monday? Yes, it would be Tuesday. The correct option is Tuesday. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is now we are going to learn how do we abbreviate the names of the months. Got it? Okay. What's wrong with the lesson? Okay, an abbreviation is a short version of a word. Got it? That would be the short version of the word. The abbreviation consists of the first three or four letters of the word. Whenever you have the abbreviation, it would be just first three or four letters, correct? Followed by a period. Abbreviations of the months are always capitalized. Months with four or few letters are not abbreviated. So if some of the months have just four or three letters, they don't be abbreviated. Got it? Like January, you can write Jan, Jan. February, it would be Feb. March, it would be MAR. April, it would be APR. We don't abbreviate May, also June because they have just four letters. And July, May, June, and July, you do not abbreviate. Then August, it would be AUG. Then September, it would be SEPT. Then October, it would be OCT. Then November, it would be NOV. And then December, that would be DEC. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, fill in the missing month's abbreviation. If a month does not have an abbreviation, type the full name instead. So which is the month that is before February and March? Yes, that would be January. Jan, option number one is the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing month's abbreviation, which is the month between October and December, which is the correct option. That would be November. NOV is the correct option, that is between October and December. Okay, fill in the missing month's abbreviation, June, July, which is the month after July. It would be August. AUG, August. Option number one is the correct option. Right after July, you have August. Okay, which is the month before April? It would be March. MAR. March is the correct option. Okay, fill in the missing month's abbreviation, which is the month right before May. Before May, it would be April is the month before May. Got it? Okay, which is the month before March? Which is the month before March? It would be Feb. Before March, it would be February. Fill in the missing month's abbreviation, October, November, and which is the next month right after November? Yes, right after November it would be December. That would be the last month of the year. Got it? Okay, which is the month between September and November? Between September and November it would be October. Got it? The correct option is October. Fill in the missing months abbreviation, which is the month before September. It would be before September, it would be August. It would be August, September, and October. Very good. Okay, which is the month after which is the month between January and March? Yes, it would be February between January and March. Okay, which is the month between July and September? Between July and September. Between July and September, it would be August. The correct option is August. Okay, which is the month right after March? After March, it would be April. Okay, which is the month right after September? Yes, that would be October right after September. Okay, which is the month right after March or between March and May? It would be April. Got it? The correct option is April. Okay, we are done with the chapter abbreviations. We are done with both the lessons. Now we're going to start the new chapter that would be letters. Okay, let's just do the final test, some of the questions from the final test. Okay, fill in the missing days abbreviation, which is the day before Tuesday. It would be Monday. Before Tuesday, it would be Monday. Okay, fill in the missing months abbreviation, June, July, and which is the next month after July. It would be August. Right after July, it would be August. Fill in the missing days abbreviation, which is the day before Friday. Before Friday, it would be Thursday. The correct option is Thursday. Okay, which is the month before April? It would be March before April. Got it? Okay, which is the month right after March? Yes, it would be April right after March. Got it? The correct option is April. Which is the month before February? January is the month before February. Fill in the missing days abbreviation, which is the day before Tuesday. Before Tuesday, it would be Monday. The correct option is Monday. Which is the day right after Monday? Right after Monday, it would be Tuesday. The correct option is Tuesday. Okay, which is the day before Monday? The day before Monday is, that would be Sunday. You have Sunday before Monday. Okay, which is the day after Thursday? It would be Friday after Thursday. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. We're going to start a new chapter that would be letters. So let's just start the new chapter. Okay, let's just start with the new chapter that is letter. So whenever you write the letter to someone, you have the greetings and the closing of the letter. So we're going to learn how do closings and greetings and closings of letter. How do we write closings and greetings? Correct? Which greeting is correct? A letter starts with a greeting and ends with a closing. So when you start with the start the letter, you started with the greetings, and when you end, it would be the closing. For each one, capitalize the first word and end with the comma. So you have to start each letter capital and you have to end with the comma. You should also capitalize proper nouns such as Aunt Sue. Proper nouns must be capitalized. Like you can see this letter, Dear Aunt Sue. I'm glad you could. Basically, the Dear Aunt Sue is the greetings of the letter. Got it? I am glad you could come to my party and thank you for the birthday gift. I could not have asked for a better one. Every time I see it, I think of you. Basically, these four lines are the body of the letter. Got it? And at the end, you must have the closing. In the closing, you usually like here you can see with love, and then you have name. Got it? So we have to see if the greeting is correct. So the greeting is Dear Grandma Susan. Got it? They all have capital letter. The first letter must be capital and they are ending with a comma. You can see here with love, you have a comma and then the name. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which greeting is correct? Dear Uncle Andy, option 1 or option 2, which is the correct one? It will be Dear Uncle Andy. Option number 1 is the correct option. All the first letter must be capital. Got it? So you can see D is capital, U is capital, and A is capital, and at the end you have a comma. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, which closing is correct? See you soon, Mendy. Option 1 or option 2? See you soon, Mendy. Option 1 is the correct one or option 2 is the correct one? Option number 1 is the correct option. No, option 2 is the correct option. Just see you soon. Just first letter S would be capital. Got it? And then you have a comma at the end and Mandy M is capital. That would be option number 2. Which greeting is correct? Dear Mr. Yang, option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? Which greeting is the correct one? The first one. Because all of the first letter must be capital. Got it? Because the name Mr. Yang is the name, that would be option number 1. Which greeting is correct? Dear Grandma Susan, option 1 or option 2, which is the correct one? That would be option number 1. The first letter must be capitalized. It would be option number 1. Okay, which greeting is correct? Thanks, Frank, option 1 or option 2, which is the correct one? The correct option is the second one. T and F of both the letters must be capital. So the correct option is second one. Okay, which closing is correct? Best wishes, Becky, and best wishes, option 1 or 2, which is the correct option? It would be the first option. Got it? Best wishes, B must be capital, and then Becky, the name of the first letter must be capital. So it would be option number 1. Okay, which greeting is correct? Dear Ed, option 1 or option 2, which is the correct option? It would be the second one. D and E must be capital. So the second option is the correct option. Okay, which greeting is correct? Dear Aunt Katie, option 1 or option 2, which is the correct one? It would be option number 1 is the correct one. Which closing is correct? Your nephew Gabe, option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct one. Oh, Y must be capital. Yes, that would be option number 2. Sorry. Okay, which closing is correct? Your student Dustin, option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct one? It would be option number 2. Y must be capital. Got it? Which closing is correct? See you soon, Dustin, option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct one? It is option number 1 as must be capital from see you soon. Got it? Okay, which greeting is correct? Option 1 or option 2? It would be option number 2 is the correct option. Which greeting is correct? Dear Dr. O'Connor. Which is the correct option? Option 1 or 2? It would be option number 2. Got it? All the letters must be capital. All the first letters must be capital. Which greeting is correct? Dear Grandma Mia. Which is the correct option? Option 1 or 2? It would be option number 2. Which closing is correct? Thank you, Dale. Option 1 or 2? It would be option number 1. Got it? Okay, which greeting is correct? Dear Uncle Bobby, option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct one? It would be the second option. All the first letter must be capitalized. It would be Dear Uncle Bobby. The second one is the correct option. Okay, which closing is correct? Love Justin, option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? That would be option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, which greeting is correct? Dear Rose, option 1 or 2? Option number 2 is the correct option. Which greeting is correct, dear Wendy? Option 1 or 2? It would be option number 2. Which closing is correct? Best wishes, Sam, option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we are working on the grade 2 language arts. The chapter we have started with the abbreviations, and the lessons we have covered are abbreviate days of the week, then abbreviate months of the year. Then we have started the chapter letters, and the lessons we have covered are greeting and closings of the letters. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.